Good day mga kumare, mga kumpare! Kung bago lang po kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Good day mga kumare at mga kumpare! So we're here in Sea of Clouds in Martessem Mountain Resort in Tanay, Rizal. We all dream of witnessing a breathtaking sea of clouds. One of the reasons is the most breathtaking views ever. Martessem Mountain Resort, located in Sitio Mayagay, Marcos Highway, Cuyambay in Tanay, Rizal, allows you to witness and take unlimited photos with a beautiful view like this. The view is very relaxing. I recommend that you visit the place around 6 to 7 a.m. in the morning and pray for nice weather so you will witness this stunning view. Enjoy!